Busy night for area fire crews as they responded to fireworks-related calls on top of other emergencies.
Yeah, our Zach Lashway joins us live from the Fox Hollow subdivision in Spring, where fire officials say fireworks caused a home to catch fire there overnight. Hey, Zach.
Amy, you're absolutely correct. This midday debris scattered throughout the front yard and inside the garage. As you just mentioned, according to fire officials, this fire began because of fireworks. The morning after the 4th of July, Fox Hollow Boulevard is littered with fireworks casings, a showstopper for this Spring family as they were forced to leave their home because of a house fire caused by fireworks, according to Spring Fire Department's district chief.
There was no other logical explanation.
The homeowner, who did not want to go on camera, told me off camera it was her sister, and their 2 cats inside the home when the fire broke out late Monday night. She said she had just gone to bed when she smelled smoke. When she got up to check, she saw a glow around her fireplace. According to the chief, the fire was in the attic and spread down the chimney framing quickly.
He pulled the drop down. They pulled a significant amount of ceiling to make sure that they got all the fire.
Thankfully, everyone made it out safely.
I've lived here for 24 and a half years.
Christy Bame is a neighbor offering assistance.
I came down to do laundry.
Bame says this is the second major event the homeowner has experienced in a short time.
She just got back into the house recently. She had major water damage and pipes burst in the freeze last year. It's just such a senseless loss.
It would be impossible to figure out where they came from, especially with the aerial fireworks. They oftentimes will travel a significant distance, so you really have no way of knowing where they originated. But someone could be held liable if we knew for certain who did it, but there's no way of knowing that.
Chief Stewart says the evening of the 4th of July was especially busy for crews.
It was a much higher incident last night of we had our standard calls, emergency call, EMS calls, but most of the calls, probably 3/4 of the calls we responded to last night, I would say, were probably firework related.
Very busy. So a few things to go over. The chief is urging anyone who does not have a smoke detector in their attic to get one for that space. He also is urging anyone who feels compelled to light off fireworks, whether it be this evening or in the coming days, to do so in an open space and to light them off near a source of water. As for the woman who lives in this house, she was given a guide to post-fire recovery from the Spring Fire Department. With it, a few gift cards and a stay at a hotel to help get her back on her feet. A little help goes a long way. Live in Spring this midday, I'm Zach Lashway, KPRC2 News.